Okay, some announcements for today, for Thursday, starting with what's your favorite cartoon character? I'm going to go through some announcements. I've got our lesson, got a little game to go with our lesson, and then the graded assignment that will be in Skyward is the 6-6 quiz. So wanted to remind you about the shout out opportunity that the ASB and the leadership team is putting together a slideshow of shout outs. So if you want to shout out to a teacher or another staff member or a friend that you know is just crushing it, like show them a little love, give them a shout out. You don't have to put your name on it if you don't want to. But just think about like how nice it would make you feel. Like you might be a little embarrassed at first, but then really it's so nice to be recognized, for your hard work. And you are working hard and you're making it happen. Okay, Friday, tomorrow. Get your phone out. Put a reminder in your phone that 5th period is at 9:20. It's an early release day. And so some classes might be scheduled at 9:15, but like officially 9:20 is our start time. And then there's no advisory. So take a minute, put the alarm. What I do in my phone is I actually would type 5th period and then I would set my alarm for 9:20 tomorrow. Or if you like using your calendar, that works too. Just don't forget. There's also a forum tonight that some of the district's counselors are doing. It's geared towards parents, but you can attend. It's also going to be in English and Spanish. So the counselors are hosting an evening parenting forum, and they're going to provide strategies for parents and students to cope with issues around trauma and stress of distance learning. Okay. And some other suggestions. So it might be worth tuning in a little bit. And that's what I've got for our announcements. There's one more announcement. I'll throw them in here. I'll throw my end announcements in with this one. So if someone's watching the recording, they get the last minute reminders. So remember, retake any quizzes that are below 14. Because if it's a 14 out of 20, that's a C. And the way that grades work, you want to get your average up. Friday is an early release day. There's no class Monday. So your first, second, and third period, you don't actually see them and for a whole week. But I might have an announcement or an assignment in the announcements for Wednesday. So you still need to check in on Wednesday, but we don't have class on Monday. Email me if you need anything, and make sure that you're looking at the Skyward T2 grade. That stands for trimester 2. And please be taking care of yourself. Make sure that you are trying to get as much sleep as possible, that you're drinking your water, all that good stuff. So email me if you need anything. And those are my announcements today.